Don't want to stand by. You've done it too many times. Cool. Thank you.
What? What is it?
It's a One Direction ticket.
Yeah. And the day after tomorrow we're going. And me and Daddy aren't going. You and Mommy are.
No, we aren't.
Yes, we are. Mommy printed off those tickets today.
I'm going to show you.
Why? No, we're not. We have to go all the way to Tennessee to go to that concert.
What?
Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Wait, are they really real?
Yes.
They're seriously real.
Yes.
They're seriously really real.
Yes. See? You and Mommy are going. Me and Daddy are going to stay at the hotel and swim.
And that's your only birthday present. Is that better than a birthday party?
No.
Yay!
You're actually going to see One Direction.
I thought it was fake when I saw the burn out vision.
That's what I told Mom. She's probably going to go, these aren't real, are they? That's why I was going like this to Dad in the car. And that's why I kept talking to them. And that's why I was so calm at Barb's house going like this.
You can hug your sister.